Alrighty guys, so welcome back. Market opens up here in about 20 seconds or so. Start off the morning, we are on an evaluation account, as you can see right here. We're still gonna be trading pretty big size, because why not? And we marked out our absorption zones, just simple absorption zones. And market's open. We're gonna be starting out in regression from this high entropy pre-market, as well as price and delta on this candle not being correlated and this candle. These are all correlated, but we also have the presence of this derived zone. And yeah, we're just in between a range right now. So nothing too much to, think of. It's an easy regression to start.
Order filled.
There's our first trade. So again, we'll have to see how this all goes. Can't win them all. Hopefully we don't lose them all, right? I also put a total P&L up here. Just so it's easier for you guys to see. But yeah, we're starting out in regression mode. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. The point of controls here, really a lot of them are right in the middle of this this range, so that's good to see. We can't really tell anything from our stop loss and take profit. If it stops us out here, we're gonna have to keep it in regression unless we broke below here. Then could be, more trend bias. And if we take profit again, we'll be keeping it in regression because of this derived zone. And we are around, we're not above anything over here, so that's kind of the plan for now. And if we can this morning, we're gonna go for 3 net winning trades. That's the goal. So 3 net winning trades is the goal for this morning. We also have this absorption here, which was a automatically marked derived zone. So I'll mark that out. Looks like we're getting close to our take profit here, but we're in a range. Depends how the range is going to look. We'll also open up a chart here, candlestick chart, and take a glance. So just bounced off of demand zone here. Yeah, we'll just have to see. Candlestick's not telling us too much right now. So the trade got pretty close. It was about a point away from our take profit there. Formed a new absorption. It's also right next to this absorption, but thing is, the range is still, we're in between the top and bottom of the range, so that's good. Let's see. Yeah, we're really just waiting this one out. It's pretty boring so far. So from the candlestick chart, you can more easily tell that we are getting resistance at 42.75. Hopefully we can break through it. I don't see why we couldn't. But yeah, we are getting a little bit of resistance there. I think we'll probably want to push up towards 44.50, which would be around this absorption, if we wanted to have a bigger push down. So I do think it probably will hit our take profit. Just a matter of when. I mean, hopefully it does. Hopefully it pushes up here. So that's my thought process. It's going to want to push up here, grab some liquidity, maybe push back down. Not sure though. Also, just from a regular market here, this area of like 37 to 40, 41 has been an area where we keep bouncing a lot at the past few days. So, past week actually. So there's a little peek through. So if we did move our take profit there, we would have gotten filled. But we just left it. We're letting it do its thing. Hopefully it will work out for us. But yeah, I was thinking about moving our take profit to this resistance, which would have obviously just filled us. But we did not do that. So now it's coming back down. You can see that was not a lot of volume on the breakout here. Not a lot of volume. So not the strongest breakout, obviously, because we pushed back down. Yeah, we have a little bit of absorption and not a lot of volume here. It's also, I mean, this is still a pretty good absorption right here as well, which we just hit. So yeah, we'll have to see. I don't really like playing with the take profit and stop loss and stuff, so I like to just leave it.
Target
and
filled.
that's why. Yeah, just leave it. So we're up 750. I accidentally just deleted Analytica chart 4 off my chart. So we are going to re-add that because I am a dummy. We're going to add this back, I guess. And we're going to have to refix everything. So we're going to show volume. We're going to not show this. We're going to show derived areas. We're going to blah, blah. I just try to delete something, right? Just try to delete something and then I accidentally delete a bunch of stuff. Like I just tried to delete this. That's all I wanted to do. Delete this. I deleted the whole Analytica chart 4. So we're staying in regression mode. In between these absorption areas, yes, these are, this price and delta is correlated. Up movement in price, delta's positive. But it's not, it's not broken out of a channel. We're near this derived zone, right around this automatically marked absorption line from polarity here. Volume profiles are, or the point of controls are really right in the middle of this zone, which is a pretty good sign. If we were seeing volume profiles kind of the point of controls like stack up around here, then if we were to break out, it'd be probably an easy trend switch because of all the volume here. So if it pops through, it's probably gonna shoot through. Or same thing down here, you know, if we had point of controls line up around here and then we started to break through, we'd have to flip it to trend, I believe. So, but for now, we're just staying in regression. So. So I believe personally it'd be really nice if we got a triple stacked buy order right here. That way our short take profit would be right around here, right in the middle, which would be a really good take profit. If that would set up, that'd be beautiful. If there's a triple stacked short, I would not be as confident in it, but yeah, we just let it be most of the time. So not much to say. Point of control is near the top on this candle. Yeah, not much else to say. Pretty bland morning. If we pull up the chart, I mean, you can obviously see Market open with this candle. You can obviously tell we're just chopping up and down all morning. Slow move up. We moved up 5 points since open. 6 points maybe, so nothing much. It's probably the biggest candle we've seen all day right here. So yeah, not much going on though. So we'll leave it for now. All right, so a lot happening right now. Big dump down. Big. Okay. So here's what I need to do. I need to check if there's no news. There's no news. No news today. It's just a sell-off. So as I actually predicted, we'd come up right around 44.50 and start to sell off. Now am I going to switch it into trend mode? I'm thinking about switching into trend soon here. So we're going to delete these. Well, I guess we'll keep this marked actually if it comes back inside the zone. We're right around this reverse RSI line here. Big push down. Very big push down actually. We're in demand though. So like I don't know how much farther we're gonna push down because we've been bouncing at this demand zone so much, you know? So are we gonna move down a lot more? I'm not really sure. My guess would say no. I just wouldn't feel super confident right now switching it into trend mode. Although, not really sure how we did not get a fill around here from these triple stacks, but it's fine by me, so. I think we're gonna keep it in regression just because of the presence of these. See if we chop around them. We also had more buyers coming in on this candle, so it looks like, so let's see. Demand zone starts like right here. You can see there's a lot of sellers here. Then as soon as we dip into the demand zone, more buyers are coming in, right? This candle, a lot more buyers. So yeah, tricky here, but sometimes it's hard to tell when to switch to trend or something, so even hard for me. So point of control is right around this reverse RSI. I think we're rejecting this derived zone at the moment, at least. So starting to slow down at the moment. I think we have a little bit of news here in 10 minutes. So yeah, we actually do have red folder news here. in 9 a.m. my time, so 10 minutes, which could cause a good amount of movement. So we might just disarm for that. Or if we don't get any more trades before then we might just call it there. As you know, trading with news can be very sketchy sometimes. So So looks like we're probably not gonna get a trade before 9, and 9's when the news comes out. So it's gonna be sketchy if we stay in here. Stay in regression. I can't predict what's gonna happen here. Could high chop form, definitely. Could it shoot up and not stop? Yeah, I have no idea. So yeah, I'm not sure. I guess we'll just keep it in regression for now. Probably should call it, but we're gonna risk it here. So. All right, so just turn 9. Here we go. Very, very volatile. Pull up the chart there. I'm expecting something big to happen. So either a lot of chop or trend. So there's a negative 80 delta, price moved up. That's divergence. Big price shoot up there. Shot right through these drive zones, right? But we are back in this range from this morning. We're back into this range. So this is where it was ranging earlier, right? Right around this area. We got to keep that in mind. All right, so back entered into the range. So definitely keep it in regression right now. Yeah, that's really it there. A little bit of absorption here. Point of control here. Kind of bouncing off this absorption and deviated zone. Another price delta divergence here. So are we forming a range here? It kind of looks like it. Range between around 36 to 41 ish. So could this be the new range? Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. That's pretty messy on the chart. But we're gonna keep it there for now. It's kind of messy, but if we don't get another trade here by probably 9:15, I'll walk away. Very slow morning though. So there's our next trade. Regression trade here. So not sure how this one's gonna work out, obviously. Kind of right around these deviated zones. What else do we have? Right around the deviated zone, price delta not correlated here and here. I'm expecting a range at least, so this is pretty. This stop loss is pretty deep. That'd be low a day, and also we're in demand, so I'm liking this. But also news just came out. It really can go either direction, but I'm liking this right now, at least. Pointing control towards the top of this candle right now. We get a quick push up. We need about half a point. Any second. 0.25. We're close, and it didn't hit it. Point controls towards the top of this candle, though. We have absorption right around our entry. Would have much rather it just hit our take profit there. It got very, very close. Very, very close there.
Target filled.
Oh, it filled us. Perfect. So, yeah, we're calling it there. Good start there to our evaluation account, right? Up 2 trades, up 14.22 after commissions. So, good morning. Yeah, just a simple regression morning. Here we had some adversary selection on Polarity that made us not get into these trades. So kind of like pick and chose there. But then, we just slowed down. Instantly. Buyers picked back in. And we're in demand, right? So I felt a lot more comfortable because I knew this stuff. We're in demand. I wasn't expecting it to move lower. And yeah, we moved right back up, formed a new channel. Exactly kind of what I was predicting. So solid morning. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. I'll put the timestamps kind of in the description so you guys can, figure out where the trades were. But hopefully you all enjoyed.